guys, today's video is about a little park in Long Island City that where most of the locals go. So there's a lot of nice little parks in New York City. There's about 1,700 parks, I believe, that's within New York City on the 5 boroughs that you could go and visit there. So let's go. So today we are at the Socrates Sculpture Park, and this is the entrance. Kind of looks like a construction zone right now, but this is the entrance. So we'll see. See Brian standing there waiting for me. You ready? Yeah. What I love about New York City is the small parks tucked in this little neighborhood, and one of them is this Socrates Sculpture Park. This is located in Vernon Boulevard at Long Island City. There's something in there. There's a skyline, I guess, over there. That's one of them. Let's see what that is. East River is on the east side of the park where one can view the Manhattan skyline. Isn't that beautiful? The park also offers a farmer's market from Hellgate, and also different art installation, as you can see, yoga and meditation and art classes, and so much more. And a lot of these are free to the people of New York. So let's enjoy this park together. Looks like this is a little picnic area. People can barbecue. That's nice. Ah, 1, 2, 3, 5 barbecue pit. Picnic tables. And this is another installation. Using a container home, the building one. Insulation. all just gone. No, they're not in there. Where'd they all go? They're just gone. That's the end of our tour of the Socrates Sculpture Park. It's a very small park. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and tell me what other little parks is in New York City that's tucked away where not a lot of tourists go. It's more local. And comment down below, let me know, and also subscribe and smash that notification button so you could be notified of my next video. Until next time,